I think my first question I want to lead out right now. I know you have like a history, but I think we're talking things AATC. So you go from the operational side to AATC, and you were looking for a break. What culturally is the biggest change for you coming over to be an instructor?
So coming in when I first got here, when we were running like the combat control selection course or orientation course, whatever name you want to have for it. And like honestly, that was pretty sweet. I got to do it a little bit. It was like 2 weeks on, maybe a month on, because you had too many students coming out of prep, and then you had about a month of prep time to kind of just do other training and go to school and do all that stuff. And then we came here and everyone's like, yeah, we're doing this. You know, when I say ANS, it just means assessment selection, this ANS thing. And it's been this incredible culture change and beast that we've designed, but it was really just trying to put a course together that I guess all the communities were coming through now. And it's been a labor of love for sure, because it's been difficult to try and get everybody on the same page. Different people coming in, different MAGCOMs that you're trying to battle with, and then even within our own wing, trying to figure out what right looks like. And I think we're pretty close, but we're going to still continue to try and kind of push it and keep getting it better.